There's two of them there. Woodpeckers we seen earlier. Oh, of course, they go around the tree. Oh, there they are. It's like they're chasing each other. That is so funny. See? They were fighting earlier. Hey, here we are. Another morning. Good morning dip. Are you going all the way under?
Ah, not yet.
Ooh. My knee is swollen up today, so this is good for my knee today.
Yeah.
I'm liking it. Feels good. I missed yesterday. Babysitting grandbabies. Nana duty.
Be what, 42 though today, so it'll.
Peaceful day. Nice and chill. Nice and. Actually, it's warm. It was 28 when we got here. Very comfortable because we had to chisel our way in. We're gonna get the sun today.
Mm-hmm. All right.
So there we have it. Another day.
Another day. Good way to start.
Another day, another 5 minutes.